In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Sheikhs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so for this demo, we need to open up a web page and head on over to google.com. Once we're here in the Google search box, type in promo codes for Sheikh. Like so, and then hit enter, and then we're at the Google search results. So right off the bat, we've got a few different third-party sites offering promo code deals. So we got 20% off February, coupon follow, we got real-time Minot 10% off, plus 1% cashback. Scroll down, we've got groupon.com. You can check out any one of those sites, but one I like to use is called coupon follow. Alright, so if we want to activate any one of these orders, so if you like the one that's 20% off your order, simply click on show coupon code. Copy this code and paste this at the checkout section of Shiekh.com to enjoy 20% off your order. These codes do expire every now and then, so if one code expires, just move on to the next one. And another thing to note, they do change daily, weekly, monthly, so what you see on my screen might be different to what you're seeing on yours, depending when you're watching this video. Another cool thing about Coupon Follow, if we scroll down, you can see previously featured offers and deals. So having a look at this, you'll get a sense of what they might offer in the future as well.